Hello guys, this is our part 2 in our video. We are conducting survey on her neck to check if her neck is not stable. So let us check guys. What are your comment? Just comment down and what are the things you are observe in his trachea, in his neck tube. Okay. He has papillary carcinoma. Ini cerai. This one. Papillary carcinoma thyroid with thoracic extension stage 4. This one is the hospital that conduct the surgery to her neck. See? Papillary thyroid carcinoma stage 4. These are the medication she take. This is in no date. And this one is also happening to his vocal cord. Okay guys, this is part 2 of our video. Please subscribe and like and comment down below. What are your thoughts about his neck? Thank you guys and bye. See you soon in our third video. Suctioning.